Let me show you all of the accessories that comes with Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. So first of all, we'll have the instructions. Obviously, they come inside the box, so we can take it aside. That's the paperwork. Then you will get this mop pod. You can attach it to the robot and clean the floors with mopping. Then we'll get this accessory for cleaning. You can use this brush to clean up your robot. I've made a dedicated video on cleaning. Then you get a cable, power cable, to connect it to the charger that also charging base comes with it. You can connect it and then charge the robot on it. And lastly, it also comes with the HEPA filter and the filter for the HEPA filter, so it only comes with one, so you won't get a replacement. If you want to get replacement, you will need to order it. So anyway, that is, I think, all. You also get two of the brushes right here and the dustbin itself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.